Good morning, everybody. This is Alan with Bronc's World. I am going to take the inaugural ride with my trailer. I got it all hooked up, all attached, and we're going to go see how it does on the road. I got a 360 camera set up back there on the trailer so I can kind of get a good view of that. But come along, we're going to go for a ride. All right, here we go. Got the trailer behind us. We're gonna see what trouble we can get into. Nothing's on top, that kind of stuff. Okay. Well, the good news is I can't even really feel it's back there. So there's that. And it is a beautiful day for a ride, so I might have to actually go for a decent ride here. I was just going to get the trailer out and do a little zip around. But yeah, it feels good. Barely even feel it's back there. My wife has already told me she's a little worried about having a trailer behind us. It was really good, feels good. So yeah, I know a Lano rider pulls a trailer. A couple of the other guys out there that I've seen pull a trailer, but not a ton of guys out there pulling a trailer. I kind of like it. I mean, if I look in my rearview mirror, if I didn't have a camera on the right side of my trailer, I'm not sure I'd even be able to see it. So it feels good. No problems, runs down the road real nice. This would be nice if I go on some bigger trips and need to take some more luggage with me. Yeah, it runs really good. Rides down the road really nice. I like it. Well, my wife, I don't know if I said this, but my wife did tell me she was a little leery of having a trailer behind her. It scares her. I don't know why. She can't explain it, which that's fine. It happens. She's a little frightened about getting on the bike to begin with, just because I've been hit twice. So I get the fear. I understand it. But yeah, we just have to kind of push through those fears and move on. But it pulls really nice. I like it. Yeah, I'll go out of town here a little ways and just do the I honestly, back there, it's got one of those swivel hinges on it. I don't feel the trailer at all. I don't feel it behind me. I don't feel any weight like I'm pulling something, and I did put some stuff in it just to make sure that I had some weight so I could kind of feel and it would have weight on it, but I am not feeling any resistance at all due to there being a trailer behind me. So that's good news. And maybe, you know, Jody just needs to get on and ride with it for a little bit, just to feel a little bit safer about it. Because sometimes there is just that fear of the unknown, right? and I just need to make sure that she feels better about it and feels okay with it being back there. So we'll see what happens. I know it allows us to bring things that normally we wouldn't have room for. So there's that. So we'll see. So yeah, quick little video today just to show you the trailer, how things work. Once I got her done, I think I still need to get some new wheels for it, new tires, but these will work for this trip, and we'll go from there just because I don't have time to get them in, but we'll go from there. But right now, these will be good, they'll work, and we're good to go. So with that, remember, don't forget to get out and ride. Therapy is expensive. Wind is free. This is Bronc's World. I'm Alan, and I'm out.